If your downloads in Google Chrome are slower than expected, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to increase your download speed and get your files faster. Let's start with the simplest solutions and work our way to more advanced fixes. First, check your internet connection. Slow downloads are often caused by a weak or unstable connection. Run a speed test by visiting sites like speedtest.net. If your internet speed is slower than expected, try restarting your router or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Next, close any unnecessary tabs or applications. Too many open tabs or programs can consume bandwidth and slow down your downloads. If you're downloading large files, pause or cancel any other ongoing downloads to free up bandwidth. Now let's clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Corrupted data can slow down your browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Delete Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range, check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. If your downloads are still slower, try disabling Chrome extensions. Some extensions can interfere with download speeds. Go to Settings, click Extensions, and turn off all extensions. Restart Chrome and check if your download speed improves. If it does, re-enable extensions one by one to identify the one which causes the problem. Another tip is to use a download manager. Chrome's built-in downloader isn't always the fastest. Install a trusted download manager extension from the Chrome Web Store. These tools can split files into multiple parts and download them simultaneously, significantly increasing speed. If you're downloading from a specific website, try changing the server location. Some websites allow you to select a different download mirror, which might be faster. Look for options like choose download location or select mirror on the download page. Okay, now let's tweak Chrome's experimental settings. Type Chrome flags in the address bar and press enter. In the search bar at the top, type parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading flag. This allows Chrome to download files in multiple chunks, speeding up the process. Restart Chrome to apply the changes. If you're still experiencing slow downloads, check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes these programs can throttle download speeds. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and see if the download speed improves. If it does, adjust the settings to allow Chrome full access to your network. Finally, consider upgrading your internet plan. If you frequently download large files, a faster internet connection can make a big difference. Contact your internet service provider to explore faster plans or troubleshoot any connection issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to increase your download speed in Google Chrome. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling Chrome or consulting a tech expert. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.